Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of delicious cake baking. But hey, before you go any further, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Alright, so let's go make some yummy cake. So you want to start by whisking 2 eggs. You want to whisk this for about 2 minutes so you have enough air incorporated into the egg mixture. So next up you want to add your vegetable oil and then you want to mix this for another 1 minute. Okay, so when you notice a change in the texture of the batter, you want to add your sugar and mix it really well. I did this for about 4 minutes because it's one of the tips for a yummy coconut cake. So I mixed it until it was pale white before I turned in my milk. Guys, when you add your milk, you want to mix it gently because at this point it becomes more liquidy, if there's a word like that. And then I throw in 1 cup full of coconut flavor. That's about 1 teaspoon of coconut flavor. So you want to mix it really well and gently as well so that you don't splash the wet mixture. Okay, so you want to mix it until it is thoroughly combined before you throw in your dry ingredients. Guys, I already sieved my flour to get rid of lumps, so I'm safe. So next I throw in my nutmeg. And guys, when you add nutmeg to your coconut cake, it's the smell is gorgeous. So I throw in my baking powder, baking soda, and my salt. So you want to gently mix it at this point because now it's delicate, so you want to be gentle. Mix it really well and be gentle as well. If you have a hand mixer, you can use it at this point to mix this batter. So you want to really incorporate all of that excess flour on the sides of the bowl into the batter. So always scrape down the sides and until you have a smooth batter like so. If you have some lumps in there, that's fine. You can work with that. Okay, so next I added my grated coconut. Okay, as you can see, I set aside some of that coconut shavings for some toppings later. Guys, my neighbor's dog just keeps barking off. Like, I don't even understand why a dog will be barking at 4 a.m. in the morning, guys. Oh, anyway, in my 6x4-inch pan, I threw in my cake batter. As you can see, it's looking gorgeous and beautiful. And please don't be tempted to lick this batter. Okay, you're permitted. You can lick it, but don't finish it before you bake your cake. So you want to bake this at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes. And guys, this was the outcome. It was so gorgeous to behold. For some reason, I only took a zoomed in video. Like, I don't understand why I did this, but guys, trust me, you'll end up with a yummy cake. Okay. So I allowed my cake to rest for about an hour before I iced it or let it just cool down completely. Okay, so I used some buttercream icing for this cake, and guys, it was absolutely good. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section when you try this recipe out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.